Have you ever wondered how fast your fingernails grow? Well, I accidentally found a way to measure it. On February 12th, 2026, during the national election of Bangladesh, my thumbnail received a permanent ink mark. Like most people, I could have ignored it. But then a question popped into my mind. What if this tiny mark could tell me how fast my nail grows? So I decided to watch it, day by day, week by week, month by month. Something interesting happened. The ink didn't actually move at all. Instead, new nail tissue kept growing from the base of the nail, slowly pushing the mark toward the tip. For the next 120 days, I tracked its journey, and by June 12th, 2026, that tiny mark had traveled about 12 to 13 millimeters. That's roughly 0.108 millimeters of nail growth every day, almost exactly what scientists expect from a healthy fingernail. Pretty amazing, right? Without us noticing, our bodies are working every second, building new cells, replacing old ones, and constantly renewing themselves. This simple ink mark became a reminder that growth never stops, even when we can't see it happening. So the next time you look at your nails, remember, they're not just nails. They're tiny records of time quietly documenting your body's journey one day at a time. Because sometimes, the most fascinating science isn't found in a laboratory. It's right at your fingertips.